Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today is the $5 Goodwill Challenge Fall Edition, and I'm so excited to show you guys what I was able to find. So for this challenge, you're supposed to take your $5 and go to a thrift store, consignment store, or garage sale and find something that is fall related for your home. So for this challenge, it was really hard for me to find anything at any stores that I really truly loved and I know I would use. But surprisingly, me and my husband were cleaning out the attic and we found this little box. It is filled with brass stencils. I believe it was probably my mother-in-law's, and it was just sitting there. It's really not something you would see and say, oh, it's for fall, but I thought it would be so beautiful just to display somewhere around my house. It was missing a few letters, so I spelled out what I could, and I just spelled out fresh, and I put some pumpkins right near it. Just like this little sign that I have here, Farm Fresh Pumpkins, and I really loved it. It gave my little area a touch of vintage, and I just love that brass color. And I really appreciate that I can use these items throughout the year, as well as the beautiful packaging that it came with. You guys know I love any vintage packaging, so it'll be something nice to add to my collection. So that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you again so much to Hillary for hosting this challenge and always making it so much fun for everyone to join. I will have all of her video links down below, as well as the playlist. So go ahead and grab your coffee and make some time to watch all of these lovely videos. Thank you again, you guys. Happy fall!